What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Motorhead YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a one-episode rebuild on this Subaru Crosstrek. It's a very simple hit right here, and we're gonna pull out the frame on it. And once we get the frame pulled out, we actually have all the parts, and we went ahead and trimmed them all out. So once we get that all straightened up and get the body panels all aligned, we can take it into the paint booth, tape it up, and get it sprayed. So let's get right into it. We got a lot of work ahead of us. We're trying to get this done relatively quick. All right, guys, as you can see, everything came out very nicely. It's looking very good. Just gonna need to paint it now. So we're gonna go ahead and test fit the hood and the fenders and see how it lines up. Yo, what if I painted my E30 this color?
Huh? This is a cool color. I like this.
I said, what if I painted my E30 this color?
This color?
Yeah.
Hey, is this
Broken?
thing
Yes.
missing something?
Yeah, it's missing a little.
Ooh, that's dangerous.
It's missing the tip.
How much body work you trying to do, Paul?
None.
None. Trying to get this thing done. All right, grab me a 13 socket right there. There she is. All right, so that's straight. Now we need to make sure that it looks pretty straight that way. Let's see how this hood closes. Beautiful. This fender needs to be adjusted, and we need to adjust this hinge in the back too.
The gap's looking pretty good though.
Yeah, the gap's good. It's nice and even. It's not off too far, and the hood closed really nice. It's really soft closing, so that's good. We need to adjust this hinge. This hinge has been replaced, but it was just bolted on.
All right, guys, so we got this front end on. Everything's lining up very nicely. Now we're gonna go ahead and get it off the rack so we can prep it for paint.
What's up, lad? What you got going on over here?
Taking door handles off.
Oh, for painting?
That's right.
Heck yeah. Look at this guy. What's up, B-Tune?
What's up?
What are you doing?
Drilling out a frame rail?
Heck yeah. Looks like you're having fun.
Oh yeah.
He's dead. What you up to, Nate Lee?
Just doing a little tune up on it, adding some full synthetic oil on it.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. We appreciate that. All right, so we got it sanded. Dad washed it off for us. And we are going to let it dry up and then get it in the paint booth.
Alright, the car is sanded and it is drying. What are you doing over here?
Oh, we had the horn was missing the plug on it, so I went out back and chopped this one off of Vlad's S2000 wiring harness.
Really? No. I didn't know about that. Is it the same one though?
Yep. It's just a
From?
spade connector with a plastic tip over it to protect it.
Fancy spade connection.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put this heat shrink tubing on here first. Alright. Then we're gonna do this right here. Check out this little trick I got. Alright. Check out this neat little way to do it. Like, make him open a little bit. And then put him together like that right there. And twist. Twist, 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 twist. Just like that. You see that?
Yeah, that's strong as it is.
Alright, so if you happen to break these little clips right here, and you got a position like this where it's a hole, if you loop your zip tie around and come back through,
Yo, that's pretty cool. Where's my
go.
snippers? Let's see that. We're going to try Paul's trick.
yeah, I thought of that.
Dang, dude, that's pretty sweet. All right, so we got everything assembled in the front end. It's ready for paint. Unfortunately, we cannot paint it because Paul didn't order a tow hook cover with the parts. So he's kind of backing us up on that. But everything else is good. Everything looks good.
Why not just risk it for the biscuit?
Nah, he's got to go pick up his daughter also, so. All right, so we got the Subaru into the paint booth. Now what we're gonna do is tape it up real quick. Paul's gonna spray it in. All right, what's up, Paul? What you doing?
So when I originally mixed this paint, it actually had no variants. So basically it had no choices. So you can tell right here, the color is a little bit off.
Yeah, a little bit off.
Now it's blendable, but in order to try to make it perfect, we're gonna use our camera to mesh the actual color code of the car and the picture that we're gonna scan.
All right, let's do it. Alright guys, so we got the Subaru all taped up. All that is left to do is tape up the bumper. Yuri's about to take care of that.
All right, so check this out. We have a two-tone bumper here. So we have this little textured area which we do not want paint on. And to go around these edges, Paul got this Pro Band fine line. And this tape right here turns corners very well. So to get in all these little turns and stuff shouldn't be too much of an issue. So it's actually my first time using this particular one.
All right, guys, just like that, the car is painted. Paul did an amazing job on it. It looks very nice. Not really going to need to do any buffing, maybe a couple little pieces of trash. So big ups to him. Go ahead and give him a follow on Instagram at Paul_VT and show him your appreciation. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. Unfortunately, we were going to do a one episode on this, but we figured we'll just do a whole nother episode putting it together. Also, we're going to take it to the lot and do a price reveal on it. Basically let you know what we paid for it and what we can get for it to show the profit margins on the car. If you enjoyed this video, guys, and you want to see all that, stay tuned for the next video on it. Also, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Comment down below what you think of the car. And also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at motorhead.co for the inside scoop. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.